Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today we're gonna
hey guys, welcome back to another video.
We're gonna play some. First, before we play some Bee Swarm, we're gonna play some
Roblox.
Play some Roblox before we play some Bee Swarm on Roblox. We're gonna play. Wait 1 sec. I need to find it.
Are you playing your video right now?
Oh yeah, let's play. Yes, it's playing. Am I?
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna play some Bee Swarm Simulator.
Yeah.
Welcome to the holiday update, guys.
Yeah, I know his sister.
Before we even leave, I'm gonna stop the recording, and then I'm gonna post it on YouTube. It's gonna be doing that while we're leaving. When I go home, I'm gonna ask my mom, "Hey mom, I made a new video," because she's subscribed to me.
Say, Mom, I made 2 videos.
Ow! You know everyone's gonna hear that on YouTube.
Yeah. What? Crap. Brother, where are you? Let's on the bed. It's on the bed. Where are you, dude? Dude, you're there. You're kidding me, but then you have to record me. Hey. He's over here. Wait, are you over here? No.